Welcome to React.js. React is an open source front-end JavaScript library which is used for building user interfaces, especially for single-page applications using reusable components. It is used for handling view layer for web and mobile applications. It was created by Jordan Walk, a software engineer working for Facebook. So what are the major features of React? So major features of React can be segregated into its core features and advanced features. Let's go ahead and look into its core features. Its core features are virtual DOM, declarative UI, component-based architecture, JSX, and unidirectional data flow. Let's discuss each of them individually. So the first one is virtual DOM. React uses virtual DOM instead of the real DOM, considering that real DOM manipulations are expensive. But what is virtual DOM? A virtual DOM is a lightweight in-memory representation of the real DOM. DOM is the document object model. Okay. So basically, React creates an in-memory data cache, computes the resulting differences, and efficiently updates only the changed paths in the browser DOM. This approach significantly improves performance compared to direct DOM manipulation. Next is our declarative UI. React allows us to describe what our UI should look like for a given state, and it handles the DOM updates when the underlying data changes. Next is the component-based architecture. React uses reusable or composable UI components to develop the view. Okay. The fourth one is JSX. JSX is JavaScript XML. It's a syntax extension that allows writing HTML-like code within JavaScript. JSX makes the code more readable and expressive while providing the full power of JavaScript. So basically it just provides syntactic sugar for the React.createElement function, giving us expressiveness of JavaScript along with HTML-like template syntax. Okay, so in our example, let's have a look. So here within our h1 tag, the text is returned as JavaScript function to the render function. So basically here we have our class component app within which we have our render function, and this render function returns a tree of elements. Okay, so there is an element within which we have our h1 element, and this one h1 contains our string hello world, correct? So here what's happening, we are writing our entire HTML within the JavaScript. So this is what JSX is. Okay, so we can say that our render function is returning a JSX. Okay, and the next feature is unidirectional data flow or data binding. So it's basically the flow of data from the parent to the child component. Okay, so this makes our code pretty predictable and easier to debug. Okay, so we can say that it is a one-way data binding model. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll have our advanced features of React in our next video. Till then, happy learning.